Lovie Tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today is January the 10th. And just like I promised, I have a project share announcement. So of course, as you can probably see, this is going to be for Valentine's Day. So this project share will run from today, January 10th, to February 10th. So that means you need to get your flip book in by February 10th, so that I know for sure everybody's gonna have their stuff by Valentine's Day. So this is a Dollar Tree greeting card flip book. It's a mouthful, but I love making flip books this way. It's one of the easiest things, and it is so freaking adorable and so cute. So really quick, if you're interested in doing one of my project shares, this is what you're going to be making. It's going to cost you $2 to buy the cards, because we're doing 4 cards with their envelopes, and you get 2 cards for $1 from the Dollar Tree. And then depending on how full you pack it, which mine is very full, it'll cost anywhere between $4 to $5 to mail it to me, and you're going to have to put $4 to $5 of postage on your return envelope. Participate in one of my project shares. You have to mail me your flip book, and I will open it live. I always open up my project shares live on YouTube and do like an unboxing. So everybody's going to get to see your beautiful work, and then I'm going to swap you with somebody else that also sent in their project share. You don't know who, but you're going to get one back in return. And in order to get one back, you have to, when you mail your flip book, you have to put a self-addressed, self-post stamped, whatever you want to call it, envelope back to receive yours. And the manila envelopes from the Dollar Tree that you get 2 for $1, those start at 3 and go up. And these are, like mine is pretty thick, so I'm thinking about $4 to $5 to mail this. That's my only rules is that if you mail in, if you do not send a self-addressed and postage, right amount of postage on your self-addressed envelope, I will not mail you one back. It's just, that's not fair to me to have to cover, you know, your stuff back to you. So please make sure you send a self-addressed with the postage, anywhere between $3 to $5, to get one back to you. So anyways, what I want to do is I want to show you mine real quick, and then I took some footage before I put this together so that you know how to put one of these together. These are so much fun, and they are one of the easiest flip books that you will ever make. And you can pack these puppies full. Like, you can send a lot of stuff in these. So I'm going to show you what mine looks like, and then like I said, don't panic. I'm going to show you how to put one of these together. They're really easy. So when you open it up, here is the envelope, here is the greeting card from the Dollar Tree. So then in turn, this will open, and then like I show you here, you can do all kinds of things on the inside of the cards. You can put little pockets, you can put little belly bands, you can put like a side pocket. I love to clip things with little paper clips, because they get the paper clip and the thing that's paper clipped. You can decorate them. I didn't go like ham on the inside of these cards, because after this video is over, I'm gonna do a little bit more, because whoever swaps with me, I want them to be able to be a little bit surprised. I don't want them to see everything, but I just want to show you. And then of course you pack the pockets, the envelope, if you will, full of stuff. And I put all different kinds of stuff in mine. And then what I did to give different, just different colors and things like that, before I put it together, before I put my flip book together, I've put scrap paper or cardstock on the inside of the envelope so that the envelopes are all red. And then of course I always decorate the envelopes, and then I stuff them full. And I'm not taking everything out, because like I said, whoever I end up swapping with, I want them to be a little bit surprised when they get their flip book. And then I have this on 2 white pieces of paper, because I'm hoping that you can see it better. Sometimes I feel like I lose stuff with my background of my table, so I have it on 2 pieces of paper, so I'm trying. and I have paper clip up here. So then the flip part, you know, this flips out, and then you're gonna flip it again. Here's another card. Guys, I have something for animals. Like all my cards I always buy, they always have animals on it. This one's one of my favorites. I'll chew on a bone, a ball, or a shoe. But for Valentine's Day, I choose you. I love the punny stuff. Love it. So I clipped on this adorable little tag, and I'm going to be doing some stuff in here. And like I said, I'm not showing everything. And then I paper clipped some sequins up here. So like I said, and then the pocket's full. So like that's how you're sending your goodies and such. And then it'll flip again. Here's the next card. You open this one. Up here I have paper clipped some stickers and some fun stuff. The pockets are full of stuff. And then it'll flip again. Look at this one. This adorable hamster loves you. And then when you open it, I have some stuff paper clipped up here, and then just cute. And then here's the other, whoop, here's the other envelope. And then that'll flip, and then that'll flip. And then here's the back side of the flip book. And then you're going to see, I'm going to put it in like 2 seconds. You're going to see how you put this together and like what side of the card this is and what side of the envelope this is. And it's such an easy flip book to make. So instead of me blabbing, right here I'm going to stick the footage in on how to make one of these. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you very quickly how to put these together. Just a word of the wise is you're going to put like cardstock inside your envelopes to give them more decoration and make them pretty. Please do that before you assemble your flip book, because it'll be very difficult to do after you kind of like glue it all together. So kind of that kind of thing, if you're doing cardstock in here on the outside or this part, please do that before you assemble. I'm telling you, it'll make things so much easier for you. So what you're going to do is your envelopes are always going to go this way. Your flap is always be pointing towards your card. You're going to take the back part of your card. So this is what I mean. I would cover this with cardstock before you adhere it so it's not seen. You're going to glue it to the flap, and that will initially push the pocket portion of the envelope over your card. And then you're going to take your next card. So what you're going to do is you're going to adhere the flap of the next envelope onto the back of this envelope and then attach the card on top of it. So depending on which ones you're going to use, like you can see a portion of this, like if you want it covered with cardstock, please do it before you glue your card down, or you can leave it as is. And then you're just going to like fold, see how it's a natural fold, so you'll fold it over, and you're going to do the exact same thing again. You're going to put the flap of that card, envelope here, and then you'll lay your card on top of that, and then that will fold over, and then you'll do that again, like this, and then that will fold over, and then here is your flip book. So this is what I'm saying, as you can see, this all needs to be covered with like cardstock because this is ugly. And then, but when it's covered with cardstock, you'll have something pretty here, and that'll be like your opening page of your flip book. And then when you open your flip book, this will open up like this. Here will be the pretty portion of the card. You'll have a pocket. So all of this could be covered. You could put cardstock on the inside of the envelope, make it look pretty. And then when you open up the card, you'll have more places to do fun things. And then initially what'll happen is it'll flip open like this, because now these pieces are glued together, so it'll flip open like a page. So you'll always open up to the card and a pocket, and then of course the card opens again. So now this portion is glued, and the next portion will be glued, so when you flip the flip book, this is what you'll see. And then when you flip the flip book one more time, this is what you'll see. And then to close it, you're going to have just the back side of a card, which you can also cover with cardstock. So very quickly, that's how I made my Dollar Tree flip book. It is the most simplest thing. All your folds are already in it. You're basically just gluing envelopes and cards on top of it. It is so easy, but it is the cutest darn thing, and it gives you 4 beautiful spaces to tuck goodies, and then you can even put some goodies on the inside of the card, and then it gives you lots of space to be creative and write notes and just do cutesy little things. So that's how you put your Dollar Tree envelope flip book for Valentine's Day together. So as you can probably see, that was super, 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 super easy. My only suggestion, kind of like what I just mentioned, is kind of put your papers in your cardstock in your envelopes or on your envelopes before you attach them. It just saves you so much work, and it isn't as hard, because let me tell you, it would be a son of a to put paper in here when it's attached to the whole rest of the flip book and the card. It makes it so much more difficult. So if you're going to do something like this, or even cover this portion of the card, I just recommend you doing that before you attach it. It just, believe me, I've made a lot of these. It really does make a big difference. But so my only other requirement is that we're going to do 4 cards so that everybody gets the same amount of cards and the same amount of envelopes to stuff goodies in. So 4 cards, you can get beautiful Hallmark Valentine's cards from the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. And the little envelopes, they come with it. And that's my only requirement. And then just go crazy with making the beautiful decorations, making whatever you want, rosettes. It's your creative outlet. It's whatever you want to do. Even if you can think of another way to put a Hallmark, or whatever you want to call it, a greeting card flip book together, you are more than welcome to make your own style. Just follow the rules and use 4 cards and 4 envelopes so that everybody gets the same amount. But if you can find a different way to like attach them and make them flip open and stuff, go for it. Your creativity is your creativity. This is just the easiest way I know how to put one together. It literally takes 2 seconds. It's the longest part is decorating these. So, and my other requirement, of course, is like I said, when you send your flip book, inside the envelope, make sure there is another envelope that is self-addressed with enough postage. And when you go to get yours weighed to mail to me, that should give you an idea of how much postage. Wow, what's that? There's a farmer behind me. I think the farmer's in the field. Anyways, I'm sure you guys heard that. Sorry. Anyways, whatever kind of postage it costs for you like to send it to me, that's about how much postage you should have on your self-addressed envelope to get it back to you. I don't want anybody not to receive, because I know how much that sucks and it makes me feel horrible. Horrible. But anyways, these are a lot of fun, and I hope that a lot of people participate. And again, it's going to go from today to February 10th. I can't let it go longer than that, because everybody has to get them back so that they have them by Valentine's Day. So that's it, guys. These are super fun. They're so much fun, guys. Really and truly. If you love paper crafting, this is one of my favorite things to do. If you have any questions, as I was saying, please leave them down in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Your themes, all that stuff is all you. Your creativity part is all you. Just 4 cards and 4 envelopes. And I hope you guys have a wonderful time making these. And like I said, when you mail them into me, I will unbox them live for you on YouTube. And I'll try to do if I get the envelope, I'll try to do an announcement the day before in my community, so that you know the next day I'm unboxing flip books that I received. So if you know you sent, then yours might be in that day, so that you can watch your flip book being unboxed on YouTube. But anyways, I love these. I have so much fun, and as long as we don't have any problems, I will continue to do these a couple times a year, because they really are a blast. And I love seeing your guys' creativity. Oh, it blesses my heart. That's my favorite part of doing these, is just seeing all the different styles that people do. But anyways, I don't want to make this video super long. So you guys have a great, blessed day. Questions down below. I'll try to link all these details I just did down in the Dropbox if you need, you know, if you forget. Oh, that's a very good thing. You guys are going to need my address. My address will be linked down below where you need to send these, and also my email. So if you guys have any further questions or want to talk to me privately, my email is linked in there as well. So thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you're as excited as I am. I cannot wait to start receiving these and sending them back to you. This stuff is so much fun. And as always, take care of you. Always do what you love. And I'll be talking to you in the next video very soon, guys. Bye.